Do you need to pull payroll totals and employee pay details in QuickBooks Payroll, but you're not sure where to click? This video is for you. Hi, I'm Robie Ann Ferrer. I'm an HR and payroll expert, and today I'll show you where to find key reports in QuickBooks Payroll so you can review wages, taxes, and deductions. I'll also walk you through how to customize reports and export them when you need to share data with accounting or leadership. Let's jump in. For this video, I'm going to assume that you're a new QuickBooks Payroll user and have yet to explore the reporting features. Note that I'm using a fictitious company with a placeholder address, so the employee and pay details you see in this clip are all sample data. The first step to running a report in QuickBooks Payroll is to log into your account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and look for reports. Now, if you hover over reports, the system will show a list of the reports that you can run, including the custom and standard ones. Now, there's another way to access the summarized list. So instead of simply hovering over reports, you can click on it, and the system will add a new menu bar with the same options, but showing the other reports you can run under financial planning, which includes forecasts, budgets, and cash flow planners. To get payroll reports, select the Standard Reports button here up top. The system will load all available options. This means you also see the non-payroll documents from QuickBooks Online, such as the balance sheets, accounts receivable, and expenses reports. This page also has a Create New Report option at the upper right side of the screen, in case you need to generate your own. For reports that you often use, QuickBooks lets you save those in this Favorites box. Now, adding and removing items from this box is easy. Simply click on the star icon beside the report name, and the system will automatically add or remove it from your favorites. To access the payroll reports, scroll down until you get to payroll. Now that's way down this page. So QuickBooks Payroll has over 20 options, which include payroll summaries, tax and wage reports, employee pay details, and paycheck histories. You can also run vacation and sick leave reports, payroll tax transactions, and employee attendance reports. What I find cool about this QuickBooks Reports page is that it provides descriptions of all the reports in its online library. This way, you're not left guessing which one to use. For example, to see what's included in the payroll item list, hover over the report and click the question mark icon. A short description will appear below it, and it will stay open until you click the question mark icon again. Generating reports is easy. Simply choose the one you want to run. For example, if I click Payroll Item List, the system will automatically load it on screen. Now, in this report, you only see one employee, Mary Winters, because I only have one worker in my fictitious company. But apart from her name, you can see the pay details, the hours, overtime, bonuses, holiday pay, among others. You can select the data points you want to see by clicking the Customize button. I won't go into detail here because I'll be talking about customization later in this video, but essentially, once you're done choosing the data you want, the system will ask you to generate the report again by clicking a Run Report button. Now, to access a different report, click the back button at the upper left corner to return to the list of reports. In case you tag the report as a favorite, you can access it from the Favorites box. If you already know the report name, you can also input it into the search bar here. Or you can simply scroll down again to the payroll options to look for the report that you want. Notice that some reports have these 3 dots on the side. This lets you access additional options such as customizing the reports or running it in Microsoft Excel with the data sync with QuickBooks. Note that the options also vary depending on the report. For example, for time activities by employee detail, the choices are add to management reports, run the report and sync data in Excel, and create a schedule where the system will automatically generate the report based on the schedule selected. Now, on the other hand, if you click the three dots for payroll summary by employee, the options are only for customizing it and running the report in Excel. Let's try clicking Customize. In this report, QuickBooks provides filter options to select the pay period or the date range. It also has a Customize button at the upper right side, so you can choose additional data to include. Note that most QuickBooks Payroll reports are customizable. You'll find this feature even if the reports don't have the three dots beside their names. However, the data points are different. Some may have a wider selection, while others might only have 2 items. Here you have the employees option, which lets you choose inactive or active workers, or both, if you want both to appear in your report. If you have a multi-location business, the work location button allows you to select all or specific locations. Now, this report also shows payroll details by employee, but you can group the employee data by pay periods too. You can even choose exactly what information you want, such as gross pay, net pay, employer taxes, or working hours. And if you only want to see the payroll totals, click the Totals button. QuickBooks lets you show just that. Or you can choose the Total and Details button, so you can include the detailed breakdown behind those totals. Now, once you're happy with your selection, click Run Report. If you want to download the report, click the Export button at the upper right part of the screen. Select Export to Excel to get an Excel file, or you can choose Print or Save PDF if you want a printed or PDF copy of the report. And that's how you generate, customize, and export reports in QuickBooks Payroll. You can use these reports to review payroll details, pull data to support audits, tax filings, and reconciliations, or simply answer follow-up questions from employees about their pay. I recommend adding core reports to QuickBooks Favorites box so you can run them quickly after each payroll. If you found this video useful, please drop a like, share, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.